and welcome to 2024. Yes, plus we back with another one of What You Think But How We Isle. Let me tell y'all something. Nothing happening with we Isle, plus we spin off sectors. Remember last year when I come to Barbies, I'm gonna tell you about the new oil and gas training center they got right in Port Mourant? Yes, right here so. But guess what? I come to see how the place coming along because I know enough of you and want to come and work in the oil and gas sector right here so. So let me go along. This is our safety moment. I just want to know why we got to wear them steel tip heavy duty boots. It's to make sure your toe not get crushed by them heavy duty machine and get nail bore and so. So make sure you wear your safety gear all the time so you don't get tetanus. So guys, this facility will be open to train Guyanese looking for employment in the oil and gas sector. Over US $100 million already pumping in funding into this facility. Thanks to ExxonMobil, SBM, and the Guyana government partnership in making this a reality. Already, they got a bunch of technicians working with SBM Offshore. The company that built most of the oil ships working on the facility. So come, let me go and see what I'm doing in there. Hello everybody, this is your bike credit. All right, can I have a minute of your time please? I'd like to ask you guys, so just turn this side here sir. Just come this side here sir. My name is Credit. What's your name?
Arshad Mohammed.
What's your name?
Amisha Mohammed.
Shannon Tonkyap.
Kester Tobin.
Priya Singh.
Joshua Gavaya.
All right, good. So I have a few questions I would like to ask you guys, and anybody could answer them. I want to make sure I get the right question because I don't think I got people in my phone here, so I think I'm not cheat, right? So I want to ask a question. How long have you been training with SBM?
2 years.
2 years.
You?
2 years as well.
Oh, you copy them?
Same thing, 2 years.
2 years.
Are y'all still here?
2 years.
Oh, all right, good. So let me ask a question now. What led you guys to this career path here, so anybody?
This career path. So from my background is basically mechanical. So it was just like a follow-up from what I already know since I started from Gaisuku. So it's just basically a continuation, but more into the oil and gas industry.
What about you?
Yeah, same thing. My background is electrical, so I just wanted to gain a little more knowledge about this electrical thing. So yeah, so I come here.
So I came here from high school after writing CXC. The mechanical engineering, my results from mechanical engineering went viral on Facebook. I left my teaching job and here I am now, but I am in instrumentation.
What about you?
Well, I came from the education department. I'm a trained teacher. And straight from teaching, I joined this sector. I mean, I can't be a teacher, be there, hear everybody talk about this Isle where Guyana got.
You want more money? And money here about and that you come for.
Can't hear everybody talk about this oil and gas thing and me enjoying it. You understand? So I see the opportunity, applied, joined.
Well, the training has been wonderful. There are many things you can learn, and it has been very effective for me because I had mostly theoretical knowledge, and this being introduced to this facility have given me the exposure to the practical aspect of it.
All right, what about you, sir?
Yeah, so this training is very good. It did encourage me to further my studies. I learned about how the oil get to come up to the offshore. I learned about how it's being produced, how you separate the oil and the gas. So as technician, I'm part of the mechanical team, and it's a brand new thing for us. We're learning about flanges, and we're gonna be moving up to different fields. Thank you.
What's the most challenging for you so far in the training?
Well, the most challenging thing was trying to transition over from knowing nothing about the oil and gas sector, you know, being a teacher. No Guyanese really know much about it unless they come here. And coming into this sector and getting to learn as an operator, getting to learn the full functionality of the vessel. I mean, that was the hardest part. And then you learn about all these big words like reverse osmosis and triethylene glycol rehydration.
All right, like you gonna cost me. All right, go. Like you gonna cost me.
Yeah, so I feel very fortunate to be able to put forward what Guyana basically have to offer. Well, I'm born and grew from the Sugar Estate, not far from the Gas Ashore project. This is basically, it was a good stepping stone. And for me, basically, I feel very fortunate, and I look forward for anybody else and encourage anybody else. Take the opportunity once presented and basically run with it.
So my next question I'm there, so what do you think about this training facility that will serve thousands of Guyanese? How do you feel about that?
I feel that it is a well-built facility. It basically with help us to raise our standards as from what we're accustomed to, basically as it relates to safety and like best practices.
All right, good. I'm gonna ask you, love. What have you done in terms of helping this facility for the opening time? Like, what did you done and contribute to this opening of this facility?
Well, I was part of the commissioning team, and we did maintenance on pumps,
You
pipes.
did pumps?
Yes. I'm part of the mechanical team.
Oh, all right, good.
Yes.
Well.
Maintenance on the fittings, flanges, tightening and alignment.
How you feel about yourself? How you feel about that?
Well, from where I started in Canada to now, I've learned so much more, and I'm able to apply myself better.
We're trying to make sure that safety is number one in our priority, as well as safety around us, because you want to go home to your family, you want to go home to your girlfriend with your two hands. You want to make sure that you could go back next day and do the work, and make sure we kind of like try to follow procedures so that the job could done completely and not repeatedly.
What advice would you give to, other people who want to follow in your footsteps?
My advice to them would be to just go out and apply, man. Don't frighten. You see the opportunity there, you go, you take it, you apply, push your body, and you go make it.
Push your body. So here happen. Me see nothing go on upstairs there, and so and let me tell you something. Me not fast, but me just want to know what go on there. Like me like my people business or nothing. So, but what go on up there? Anybody can tell me what go on up there?
Come let me show you what going on, man. Let me show you.
All right, good. But if you beg me, let me go along, man. Cause me don't really want to know, but let me go. So, all right, me go lead the way, man. Since I know one carry me up there. Safety first.
Yeah.
Good. So, what's the happenings up here?
Yeah, we see we looking after one and two valve, transmitter.
What you say? This is what?
It's a valve, a flow valve.
And what this represent? What this is what?
What pray them, man?
What pray them, man?
Yeah. So this basically monitors the flow through the pipelines, and what my colleagues are working on right now is this pressure transmitter. So we had to replace this tubing earlier because there was a leak. So we had to rebend the pipe, and we had to find new fittings to tighten it.
Okay, so what all this function up here is for what really?
To basically monitor the flow of the two process variables which we're using here, which is water and air. So the air is representing gas, which we know offshore we have oil, gas, and water. But since this is a safe facility and it's for training purposes, we're not using those materials. So basically these pipelines, that's what they flow through, and these instruments measure and monitor those flow.
Yes, but let me tell you something. You just tell me that? Me not remember nothing you said there. You last me there. But thank God, me sure the people at home know what's going on. So come, let me go. Let me go now. All right? I'm gonna check out the other facilities them. So let me send them a guy there. So wait, this is one now. So we get one gentleman a turn. You look like you walk. Me know you walk. But sir, so what you do here? This is one now.
Yeah. This here is a pressure transmitter. So we currently calibrating it so that it could work at the required pressure. Yeah.
You calibrate it?
Calibrate it.
Oh. All right, so what I mean?
It means that it's like a programming so that it could work at the desired pressure.
And this function for what?
This here is a glycol regenerator. This here is used to trap all the water molecules from the gas.
All right, bye. All right, good. Thank you. Right? So, guys, you hear it there? You see what's going on with the functionalities and the transmission in ours and the island gas and the flow of the particles and the calibrating. Anyway, Megan, thank you, right? Yeah, thank you guys so much. Anyway, Megan, I go back and do your work now. Because I don't want to blame me for if I go up chuck tire. Look at you like lime. Go and walk. Anyway, Megan, right? So I'm not bother you no more. Thank you guys so much. All right. Let's see one door there. Let me go and see. So, apparently, this is the control room. You can't talk, you can't breathe, you can't do nothing much. So, I'm not bother them. Come. You gotta focus. Come. my understanding, they already select the first batch to be at the facility. Yes, me here they come from Technical Institute from Georgetown and New Amsterdam. Me even here they get people from UG and Gaisuku Training Center they here too. That means they're gonna get hands-on training and they're gonna learn new skills to help them get jobs in the oil and gas sector. So, I no waste time. Come, let me get into this oil business. Me know, me I go sign up. But in the meantime, me I go get all the right equipment me need to get for learn about this oil thing. Until then, me gone.